Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the blue brick sparrow and Heartopia during the modular street basketball event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my collection, my bird watching diary. Okay, and this is how the blue brick sparrow looks like. I'm going to show you the details. Okay, basically, if you want to meet this bird, you need to go to the Anen mountain, specifically at the Anen. Right here, guys, let me show you on the map. Okay, here, you can track the Anen mountain bus stop to make it easier to go to this area. Okay, then you just need to explore this area, guys, and if you're lucky, you will meet the blue brick sparrow. Or if you don't want to catch from this area, actually you can join this event, the brick bird event, and now it's available, guys. You can start the event or join the event by Naniwa. And if you join the event, you don't need to go to the Anen mountain, guys. You just need to capture the bird around the event area. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the blue brick sparrow and Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.